Hey there, YouTube. How's it going? It's going well here. I have some interesting news to share with you. I'm standing here in front of my SawStop table saw. There it is. Right now, it just isn't working. And that's because it has performed the job for which it was designed, and that is to prevent injury to the owner, moi. Yes, that's right. I stuck my thumb into the blade the other day, and I'm here to talk about it, and I still have my thumb. Check it out. That little bitty cut is the result of me sticking my thumb into a moving saw blade. It's actually, in my opinion, it's a miracle. So let me just tell you quickly about this saw because it was never my intention to buy this saw until one day I was talking to my son, who is a contractor, and he was telling me that on the job where he's working, they have two of these SawStop table saws, just like this one. They're portable, so they can move them from job to job. Now, of course, SawStop makes a larger saw that would be in your shop if you have a large enough area, which I do not. I have to pack up my saw every night, put it away because I put my car in here. So he was telling me about these two saws, and he said that he actually had stuck his finger in the blade accidentally. Of course, it's accidentally, it's never on purpose. And he recommended that I get it. Now, here's the deal: the SawStop table saw that I have cost 3 times as much as the saw that I was replacing Home Depot. So that thing was about a little over $300. I paid over $1,200 for this, and it's up a little bit from that point. But, and here's the kicker: I had the saw for less than 3 months the first time I actually stuck my finger into the blade. That was a surprise to me because I had been working months before that, years before that, without having stuck my finger into the blade. And this was a big surprise, and I was thankful that that blade was there so that I didn't cut my finger. Now, since then, I have actually engaged a SawStop blade 6 times. I'm not joking about that. 6 times. I wish I could keep my fingers out of the blade, but as long as I can't, I'm glad I have it. Okay, so that is my take on SawStop. I love my SawStop, and I'm so glad I made the purchase originally. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if you break your SawStop, if your SawStop brake engages and you have to replace it, there will be a link below to do that. I hope you'll take advantage of that. It helps me, it helps my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.